Alright guys, the battery in my phone been acting up. It's been acting up a little bit. So I'm going to go right down the street to this phone repair place and I'm gonna have them put a new battery in my phone. When I come back from the trip, I plan to get the new iPhone 14. I wanted to get the Pro Max, but they just didn't have it in stock anywhere. And I literally been to different stores in different states trying to get it, and I couldn't get it. So yeah. All right, guys, I just got to the place. I think it's called iRepair. So here it is. All right, guys, got some Jimmy John's. It's a new sandwich that they got for a limited time. And I got like this smoothie from this place. I've never been there before. This junk is good. And I'm on FaceTime with Chris, my cousin Chad in Jamaica.
I don't know. I seen him wearing some dresses. I know the nigga gay, bro. So his booty probably hurting him. I'm telling you, bro.
It's amazing how Ann woke me up this morning and she celebrated me in a way that I've never experienced before. You know, like she bought a cake, you know, the happy birthday sign in the background. You know, all that stuff was going on and her friends joined in and wished me and sung happy birthday for me. It was absolutely incredible, man. Wow. Like my mind is still thinking about it. You know, and that's what we gotta understand. You know, it's the small things in life. You know, the small moments that really matters. You know, it really matters.
You make it fun, I think.
Well, just got off a shuttle for the first time in my life at the airport. It's interesting stuff so far, vlog. Alright guys, so far this trip has been, I don't even know how to explain it. You know, I've never been on a shuttle before, like I said. It's just been kind of weird, you know, and especially being alone. I usually have my friends and stuff, but you know, it is what it is. I'm super excited, guys. It was so hard to find this gate 207 for Philippine Airlines, but I'm in the right area though now, so let's go. So guys, tell me why Ann is telling me it's a typhoon probably about to hit. And I'm like, dude, I've never been in a typhoon before. Isn't a typhoon like a hurricane or something? I'm still excited to be going. So let's go. And they just called my name over the intercom. The whole time I've been sitting around at the other side and I didn't know where the gate was. But whatever, I still got some time, so it is what it is. Let's go.
Superior 1 help us. Good morning, mabuhay.
I got denied entry into the Philippines. I'm gonna get a lawyer and see what I can do because I have to see her. That's the vlog. Thanks for watching.